everyone, welcome back to another episode of Tastefully Balanced. I'm Miriam, and for the second week of our meals under 30 minutes, I am making the easiest chicken recipe in an Instant Pot that you'll ever find. So if you like watching Instant Pot recipes, subscribe and keep watching. All right, welcome back. So in front of me, I have my beloved Instant Pot, of course. So the first thing you wanna do is put it on the saute feature and let it warm up. And as soon as it's warmed up, you put a little bit of coconut oil and wait for it to melt. And then once that's melted, I have about a half a cup of onions and a few cloves of garlic. I'm gonna add that in. And then you're just gonna saute this for a few minutes until it's translucent. All right, so that looks good. Now what I'm gonna do is add in 2 chicken breasts right into the pot. A little bit of salt and pepper. Just mix it a little bit. Okay, so now it's laying flat like this. What you're gonna do now is add salsa. So you can use any kind of salsa you want. This is just fresh salsa, about a cup of it. Perfect, so enough to just cover it like this. And then I also am gonna add some frozen corn. This is the roasted corn that you can find at Trader Joe's. And then just a can of black beans. Add that right in. Give it a little mix with the salsa, and that is all. Okay, make sure that the vent is closed on the top, and then you just reset it, push the manual button, and you want it to be on 10 minutes. And that's it, just wait for 10 minutes, and then I will show you what's next. All right, so my Instant Pot just beeped, the pin went down, which means it's not pressurized anymore, and so now I can open it. Ooh, there you go. And so now what I'm gonna do is take the chicken out. It's fully cooked at this point, and I'm just gonna use 2 forks to shred it. So all you do is just take 1 fork to keep it still and the other one just like that. And you do it to both pieces and dump it all back into the pot again. All right, so I dumped all the chicken back in and it's nice and shredded. So I'm gonna go ahead and add a little bit to a tortilla. Now you can add this also on top of some brown rice, but I've got tortilla today. So go ahead, and then I've got all kinds of toppings here. So I've got some lettuce. I'm gonna add a little bit of lettuce, a little bit of cilantro, some green onions, and then if you like a little bit of spice, I have some jalapenos as well that I cut up. And then I always like a little bit of extra salsa on top. And then cheese, you cannot forget the cheese. All right, so let's wrap this up like a burrito and then give this a bite. Nice and moist inside, and it's still crunchy too with the lettuce and the jalapenos and the cilantro. So really good. If you like meals that are under 30 minutes, this cannot be any easier. All you do is dump everything in your Instant Pot and you are ready to go. So I highly recommend that you make this. And please comment, like, share, and subscribe. And as always, live life tastefully balanced. Like watching Instant Pot under 30 minutes. Sorry, I'm not chicken recipe. Your face.